everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining me, my name is Jason, and as you can tell from the opening, I do unboxings. This is my third video that I have filmed today and uploaded. So this is going to be my last unboxing of a subscription called LipMonthly. And it comes just in a white envelope like this, but when you open it up, when you get inside, let's see, make sure that I got it all. Yep. They usually come in a different bag every time. So this month we get this bag here. I will put the information for the subscription in the description box below. I went ahead and a few months ago, I pre-ordered 3 bags of this subscription. And I've learned my lesson with pre-ordering a certain number of boxes from a company that I'm not familiar with, because unfortunately I've not been impressed with these bags that I've gotten. And the shipping is not the greatest. So I did cancel. I did not renew after the 3 months. This is my third and final bag. And I am not going to renew even if this is a great bag, unfortunately. So, but let's go ahead and get into this last bag. Who knows, maybe they'll have some great items in here. But I still will put the information below so that you can look it up if you're interested. I believe it's supposed to come with 4 lip products. Although I think on the occasion I've gotten something that wasn't a lip product, but we'll see. So it comes, you know, they give a little mailer card like this, and on the back it usually has like one of the items in the bag. But let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, see, already there is... All right, well, first item in here is a sheet mask from Felicia. This is their matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask. It's funny that this is in this bag because in a video I just filmed today as well, which was my Ipsy, I got a Felicia charcoal mask in there, and I was saying how I'm not a fan of masks that you've got to like pack on, and I much prefer the sheet masks, and I do like Felicia. So of course I'm gonna get product that I prefer in the bag that I've canceled. So we'll go ahead and give this a try, this Felicia. But again, it's not a lip product, so I found that interesting. Let's go ahead and pull the rest out. Next we have what looks like it might be a lip pencil. This is from Illuminati. Gel paint. I can't really read it that well. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, interesting. It's blue. I don't know if this is supposed to be a lip pencil or an eyeliner. If it's a lip pencil, it being blue is a little strange considering I've never gotten any blue tinted lip products from them. So I'm not going to swatch this because I'm not sure if I'm going to hold on to it, but just to kind of show you, see, there's the blue. All right. Okay. That's the second product. Next product in here is from Model Company, Lip Lacquer, and it is, let's see, what shade is this? This is, oh my goodness, cream. I want to say it's creme brulee, but I cannot read it for sure. I don't know if anybody can read it there. I'll have to get a magnifying glass out to read it, but it's not a bad color. It's pretty much like a nude color. Let's see here. Ooh, it's very, I don't know if you can see how stringy it is. I don't know if I like that. Let's see how this ends up looking. It's not super pigmented. So that is the color. Probably not something that I'm going to end up using. But I thought consistency was not something that was very appealing to me. Anyway, again, this is one of the reasons that I've canceled the bag. And the last item in this bag is Shimmables Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick. And let's see if I can see what color this is. Portofino. I think it's Portofino, but it's from Cargo Cosmetics. I am not familiar with Cargo Cosmetics. Let's open this and see if it's even a color that I would be willing to try. Okay. Oh no. It's a pretty color. It's just I'm not a red person, so this is the color. I am not going to swatch this because this is not a color that I would use, but it's very red there. So this will go in a future giveaway because, again, it's not something that I would use. All right, well, that will do it for the final LipMonthly subscription. Again, I will put the information for you below if you are interested in looking at them, if any of these products looked good to you. Again, it's just not something that I was impressed with. So you live, you learn, and you move on, right? So, okay, well, I appreciate you watching. This is going to be probably one of my shorter videos, and I hope everybody is staying happy, staying healthy, and I'll see you all in my next video.